Alright, what's the date? June 8th. We're walking a creek. Beautiful creek. Just come up out of the deep water. Was walking in the water. Come up on this bank. And I got one right there. A little bitty thing. Want to pick it up, babe? I don't know what that would be. Smith, maybe? Or maybe a Wore Down Snyder's or something? I don't know. Hold still, let me focus. Alright, I'll flip it over. There it is. That's the first one. Get that tool thing out of your pocket. That's a crude old point, ain't it? That ain't it. Yeah, found that. There, adze or something. Big old percussion flake out of the back of it. I'm not sure what that would have been, but it was something. But we still got a long way to go. It's just now starting to get good, so we'll see. We'll turn it back on and get another one.
I'm happy for you.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, swimming home.